Remember being young and self-breath. I knew what I needed. I was spending all my nights and days laid back daydreaming. But look at me, I'm a big girl now. Said I'm gonna do something. Told the world I would paint this town. Now bet you I'll run this.
I'm not even in the shot. Great. I am in Miami. Yeah.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you,
baby. Hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, baby. Me and you, girl, you and me. Drop it to the floor and make me see your energy because me not play no hide and seek. Obviously the thing you ever make me feel weak, girl. Free, anytime you whine and catch it, the selector pull it up and put it for repeat, girl. Pulling out touch a dollar in my pocket, cause nothing in this world ain't more than what's worth.
I don't need no one.
You want more than diamond, more than gold.
Aunque I can feel the
Make the day just take control.
I don't need no one.
You want more than diamond, more than gold. We understand, get out of control.
Jolly.
Indecisive. Fabulous.
Big as mine.
Positive.
So asking. If I could describe myself in one word, it would be loving.
Awkward.
Pretty.
Outgoing.
The place I'm most excited to visit is the Greek islands, so Mykonos, Rhodes, Santorini, all those places, they're so beautiful, I cannot wait. And I'm also really excited to see the ship itself, because it looks absolutely stunning.
The place I'm most excited to go to is Greece, for sure.
I'm gonna have to say New Orleans, just the turn up spot.
I am most excited going to the Bahamas.
I'm most excited to head to New Orleans for Mardi Gras.
The Mediterranean, just all of it.
I'm most excited to travel to the Med because it's going to be close to home, so I'm excited to see some places I've never seen before.
I can't wait to go back to the Med, Greece, Barcelona. It's gonna be so much fun. I've done it. This will be my third time going back, but it's always a blast.
Europe, because it's the same time zone as my family.
I'm so excited to travel to the mess.
Favorite moment so far was learning the Lindy Hop today, and I have a second one that would be playing Ho Chin Chuck with the Reflection cast.
So far, we're at the end of week one. My favorite moments have just been like meeting everyone and getting to know like everyone's vibe and like I think we're gonna be a good team.
Food.
Okay.
I'm really excited because I've just graduated and this is my first job ever.
Yes.
We went out for Ryan's 21st birthday at TGI Fridays, and we all talked about our goals for this process, and that's a big deal, that we all have goals.
My favorite moment so far is 3 o'clock ginger time.
I think it's going to be really interesting for us both because we've just graduated from college, so it'll be good to see what the real world's like.
Yeah.
Being able to sing and dance at the same time, I haven't done that for so long and it's really exciting. Can't wait.
During this process, I'm definitely looking to grow and challenge myself as a singer and performer and just stop being so hard on myself.
Work hard, play hard. We go to work, we get the job done, we go home, we get to play.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're all like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. Whoa. The summertime. The summertime, yeah, the summer. Yeah. The summertime, yeah, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.